This is the Cackle's red broilers. They're a great alternative to white Commercial Cornish Cross chicken. Cackle's red broiler is slower growing than the Commercial Cornish Cross chicken, but faster growing than most regular heritage type chicken breeds. This makes a great broiler without some of the health issues of the Commercial Cornish Cross. And generally at 9 to 10 weeks, the males should be at about 6 pounds and the females should be about 5 pounds. And as you can see, they are a very big, sturdy baby chick and make excellent alternative for a free-range broiler.